Anyway, highway my love. Eto na tayo. Oras na para pagbigyan natin ang ating letter sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Eto na po ang Biyahe ng Buhay ni Laika. Hello po DJ, I just want to talk about the problems of the other youth and also me. Ayan, so problems of youth today, mga kabataan daw. Itago nyo na lang po ko sa pangalang Laika. I am 14 years old and having this kind of problem. Ako po ay laging high honor student. Kaso, nung nangyari ang pandemya, unti-unti nawala yung kakayanan at kasipagan ko sa pag-aaral. Lagi na akong tinatamad at humahabol na lamang sa mga gawain. Ayoko rin naman ito. Kaya lang talagang ganito yung nangyayari. Pinipilit ko naman po talagang mag-aral ng mabuti. But my parents became disappointed in me. Luckily, I am with honors this year. Kaso, yung parents ko, still, they look unsatisfied. Ano po ba ang maa-advise nyo sa amin for this situation? Well, siguro if I'll go straight to the point, my love, Laika, at sa lahat ng mga kabataan ngayon na nagsastruggle sa module, kasi alam ko naman na yung module daw talaga ngayong pandemya is not that easy. Feeling ko nga mas nadadalian pa sila or mas maganda pa sa kanila yung face-to-face kesa yung module thing kasi mas nahihirapan sila mag-adapt pa sa new system of teaching or new system of education. Pero if I'll go straight to the point kung nga paano mo i-address tong situation na dati kang honor student and then nung nagkaroon ng pandemya, you became affected by it and then hindi na ganun ka-consistent yung naging grades mo, but luckily, now, honor student ka. My love, siguro, ang ma-advise ko sa'yo, kung paano ka nagiging open sa akin ngayon, I just hope you can do the same thing sa parents mo. Because parents would wanna know why. What's wrong, what's going on with you, what stresses you out dyan sa studies mo, anong nagiging problema, anong yung maitutulong nila. Kasi kung hindi mo to sasabihin sa kanila, my love, kung hindi mo sasabihin sa kanila yung nararamdaman mo, yung napagdadaanan mo, they will never know. And they will just continue to assume things. Kasi ganoon naman tayo di ba? Tao in general. We say things about something na nakikita lang natin kung ano yung nasa harapan. Hindi natin nakikita yung root cause, hindi natin nakikita yung pinagmulhan ng nakikita nating pangyayari right in front of us. Kumbaga, we are judging whatever it is that we can see. Pero we do not have that time to dig deeper kung ano yung dahilan as to why nangyayari yung nakikita natin sa mga harapan natin. Ganun din ang mga parents natin. They can only assume until someone makes them understand kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo. And there's no one better to explain what you are going through than yourself. Sabihin mo sa kanila, what's happening? Mag-open up ka sa mga parents ninyo. Kasi kids, sa tingin nyo, hindi kayo kayang intindihin ng mga parents ninyo. But believe me, I was once in your shoes thinking that my parents will never understand what I'm going through kasi hindi sila kabataan sa panahong bata ako. But I was wrong. They can understand if we can help them understand. Kumbaga kung paano ka nagiging open sa akin ngayon, ganun ka din maging open sa kanila. So they will stop expecting things. They will stop thinking that you are acting out. They will stop thinking na dahil nandiyan ka sa bahay, puro ka na lang laro, puro ka na lang cellphone, puro ka na lang computer, puro ka na lang chat with your friends, wala ka nang ginagawa sa bahay. They don't know what's going in your head. Kung medyo na-overwhelm ka sa mga module na meron ka, na-overwhelm ka sa mga assignments nyo, na-overwhelm ka sa mga gawain sa school ninyo, they will never understand until you make them understand. Medyo nahihirapan ako sa school kasi parang ang dami-daming pinapagawa sa amin sa module. Pwede nyo ba akong tulungan pa? Paano ba ito Yung mga ganun ba? Para naiintindihan nila na kaya yan nagiging ganyan kasi nahihirapan yan. Kasi alam naman nila what you are capable of. You have already proven them long time ago na kaya mo. given the proper, sabihin na natin, the proper setting, given daming giving eh. Given yung proper drive mo, you can excel. And even with those certain unforeseen and unfortunate events, you were still able to excel now. Ang tanging missing na lang in the middle is for them to understand na your road in getting there is tougher than your road was once before. Ibig sabihin, mas mahirap para sa yung abutin ngayon yung excellency na dati mong naaabot kasi mas challenging ngayon. Kasi baka hindi lang nila naiintindihan. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? This is not the time na dapat nating i-keep from our parents whatever it is na pinagdadaanan natin. Actually, even more so, mas kailangan natin tong sabihin sa kanila. Kasi itong isolation na to, us not having a connection outside, yung us not having that environment na we used to have nung nag-aaral pa tayo, na nandun tayo sa labas, meron tayong physical connection with our teachers, with our classmates. Kumbaga may breath of fresh air kapag nag-aaral tayo is was and still is taken away from us because of this pandemic. So hindi nila alam kung anong nangyayari sa atin mentally because of that. So maybe you just have to make them understand. So they will no longer expect too much and they will understand as to why sometimes you need a break, you need a rest. Para naiintindihan nila na hindi naman pala ganun kasi kadali yun. Mahirap talaga yung pinagdadaanan ng bata. And maybe then, my love, Laika, they can help you achieve what you once achieve. Maybe this time they can help you make things better and easier for you. It's not that bad if we'll ask help kapag kailangan natin. Hindi naman masama kung hingi tayo ng tulong kung alam natin sa mga panahon na yun, kailangan talaga natin ng tulong. Naintindihan mo ako, Laika? There's no one better that can explain your situation to your parents than you. Do not act out. Wag mong do not feel bad towards your parents. Wag kang magalit sa kanila, wag kang magtampo kung nakikita mo yung mukha ng disappointment nila kapag hindi ka excellent in school. Do not take it personally, my love. They just don't understand. And maybe if you'll tell them, maybe if magkukwento ka sa kanila, they can understand. Claro? Claro.